Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem, I'm Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I'll highly recommend you to do so because it helps you to get all the notification the moment that we go live. And why that is important, because then you can ask us any questions in this live segment as we go. Now, in today's stock market, what we're really seeing is a bit of a retracement across all the markets. And I'm talking about the DAX, the CAC, the Stock 600, the Stock 50. All of these stock indices are very much trading to the downside. Now, if the question is, why are we seeing these particular moves? Why the stock indices are trading to the downside? It is because we have seen really big stellar rally on in terms of a stock market yesterday. How big that rally was, we can quantify that by looking at the S&P 500 index, which surged well over 2.5% and recorded one of its best one-day gains since June last year. So obviously, with such a massive performance, stock prices are likely to retrace, and then the investors are likely to shave some profit. And that is exactly what we are seeing. We are not seeing that continuation of a momentum that we have seen yesterday, and then now we're seeing traders booking some profit from the trades that they put in place during this particular week, or perhaps let's just say last week as well. Now, in terms of a commodity markets, I'm still seeing gold prices trading pretty much flat, but the momentum is still skewed to the downside. And this is despite the fact that gold prices have entered into an important area of support. If you wanted to know more about that in terms of a technical analysis, we have done a technical analysis video on that today as well, covering gold and of course Bitcoin and oil as well. So all those videos are up on our YouTube channel just right over here. So if you like the content, please do give it a like, because it really helps us on our YouTube channel. Now, in terms of a Bitcoin prices, as I was saying, the prices are slightly moving to the in the sideways. Earlier, we did cross that 50,000 price level in terms of a Bitcoin price. However, 50,000 still remains a key technical level. But something really quite important with respect to that is when we look at the Bitcoin price on the 4-hour time frame, because there is this battle of a price with the 50 and 100-day simple moving average, and then the moment the price clicks and then goes above the 100-day simple moving average, that will be very much the last confirmation trade in terms of a Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, which is really going to continue which is really going to push these prices to the upside in terms of a Bitcoin. Now, in terms of a currencies, of course, we're seeing a lot of momentum in the dollar index, and that is pushing the euro against the dollar to the downside. And of course, we are seeing the same momentum in sterling as well. One last and final thing that I kind of wanted to touch base and wanted to discuss with you guys is about crude oil. Crude and Brent oil, both of them are trading to the downside, and that is in anticipation of a big OPEC meeting which is taking place on Thursday. And the expectation is that during this meeting, we are going to see OPEC Plus increasing its supply. Now, because of those particular fears, markets are really sort of, the oil prices are retracing from their highs. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.